Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install PyCharm in Windows 10. So let's get started. So just go to your browser and just type in download PyCharm for Windows 10. And just go to the first website, that is JetBrains.com. Now just click on downloads. Now here you can see a professional and a community version. Make sure to download the community version as it is built on open source and it is free. Now the download has been started. I'll resume the video when the download is complete. Okay, so now the download has been completed. I'll just click on the installer to start the installation. I'll just click on yes. Now I'll click on next, and then I'll just check on this box, that is create desktop shortcut. Also I'll check this update context menu. Now I'll click on next. I'll click on install. Okay, so now the installation has been complete. So I'll just check this box, run PyCharm community edition, and just click on finish. Now it will automatically start PyCharm. So I'll just click on I confirm, and then I'll click on continue. And I'll just click on don't send. So here you can see PyCharm has started. So we can open an existing project or create a new project here. So this was all on how to install PyCharm in Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.